Alright. Hello everybody, this is Parker Kelch with A+ Garage Doors. Today we're going to be featuring our half horsepower belt drive. This model is called the 8355. Very quiet, very cost-effective opener. Does great for single doors, comes with eye sensors. Also comes with a wall button over here that has a light button on it. You can turn on and off the light, and then also if you flip up this cover, you can turn on the lock mode, which locks out your remotes, and it also has a learn button, so you don't have to climb up on the opener. It is a very, very quiet unit. You can see for a half horsepower belt drive, it does very good. It's an AC motor, and one that we install quite a bit and have them in stock. So if anyone is interested in getting this opener or getting a price on any other openers, just please reach out to us, let us know, and we can get that going for you. Thank you guys.